Table Talk. This week's topic, hiccups.
Okay, the $300 for the camera, it's gonna be around $50 for, all that.
Hey guys.
Hey. Okay, so we're gonna have to get a job, get some money.
Yeah, we need some. Oh, sorry, I got the hiccups.
Yeah, but maybe we could work at like Walmart or Meijer.
I think Kmart was opening. Yeah. Quiet down a bit, okay?
Yeah, we can go apply there tomorrow, maybe.
Yeah, but I think the best. Cap! Shut up!
Sorry. Just hiccups.
But I think Kroger was actually the best job because that pays the best. So.
Yeah, more than minimum.
Oh! Hey!
What did I say?
Oh!
Shut up!
You hit me! What? Ow!
Yeah, just
We're talking business here.
I can't control.
But yeah, I know Kroger. I could.
Oh! Gee! Oh!
Man,
What's
why
wrong
don't
with this guy?
you don't shut up?
Oh my god!
What's wrong with you?
I didn't do anything.
Kroger.
I think.
Oh my god! What is
Man!
You guys suck!
Because I'm really good with old.
This has been Table Talk.
Yeah, I'm so